This is a brief tutorial on how to use the database module. So you're going to go to the search bar and type in database. Now you can filter this by class. I'm going to use all classes for now. What's nice about the database module is it lets you edit certain information without having to go into each individual child's profile. So for example, you can activate all columns, and then as you scroll across you can just add all the information. So you can click on here, for example, and choose the race of the child, and you can choose the date of birth of the child. So you can just scroll up to go to the year that you want, click the month, click the day, and then click save. And then you can add student numbers. We recommend doing the same format for each. For example, STU, maybe the year that they enrolled, and then a number in sequential order. So yeah, you can work through all of these. At the very end over here, you'll have all of the media permission consents. So for example, is the child allowed to appear on Instagram? You can say no, they're not allowed on Instagram, and that'll pull through the child to the child's profile. You can also click on the focus button. So if you click focus, it'll be specifically for that student, and then here again you can just go and edit everything specifically for that student. Then you can also export it as a CSV file. If you only want to see information that's missing across the rows, click on that little button over there, and that'll just show you all the fields that are missing. You can also show less fields if you want, so you can actually just customize. You can untick certain columns if you want to simplify it, and also click clear filters, and it'll take it back to the default version. So yeah, but I mean, I think one of the most popular modules on here is actually the export list, because that is very useful to get everything into an Excel spreadsheet. I'll just quickly show you how that looks once it's been exported. There we go. So you can print it out, and then you can see at a glance what information is missing. If you want the parents to update the information from their side, you can go ahead and just click the center management button, click on parents, and then click update request. And then you can actually create a request asking the parents to go ahead and update their own information. You can say, I want them to be doing it within a week. You can say, I want to update the whole school. And then this is going to go to 8 parents. You can send the invite, and then when the parents log into their portal, they're going to be able to have the ability to click a button and update their own child's information.